Lesson number 70 of 100 in the Jazz Violin series. Okay, I mentioned some diminished arpeggio stuff, pretty complicated over a flat 9 chord last time. This one, I want to hip you to something that'll lead to using that a little more as a practice session. I used to do this when I was waiting in sound checks, you know, the rest of the band's doing their thing, checking the mics. I'd wander around the hall and practice. I'm not a big practicer anymore. I take the attitude of Stefan could play, like, tonight is the practice for tomorrow, he'd say. So I don't practice for hours and hours anymore because my goal is to be tapped in, and the only thing that I lose when I don't practice enough or play enough is I lose the tapped in quality. I don't lose my skill, the physical skills as much these days after playing for so many decades. But that's not the point of this video. I want to talk about this cool exercise I kind of developed for myself and as a practice thing. I go around the circle of fifths. I talked about that earlier. Every chord or arpeggio I'm playing or jamming around with would be 5 away from the next one. So if I started with C, I'd go counterclockwise around the circle of fifths. So I might do C, and a lot of times these, it's great to practice the dominant 7. So make every one a flatted 7th, or C7 to F7 to B flat 7. So they're all 5 apart. So you should memorize the circle of fifths and going in reverse. It's more musically useful because the C7 is the 5 of F7, which is the 5 of B flat 7. The 5 of E flat 7. The 5 of A flat. It's the 5 of D flat. Which is also C sharp. They start doubling here. I start thinking sharps as soon as I can, which is C sharp would be the 5th of F sharp. Which is the 5th of B. 5th of E is getting into more familiar territory. A. D7. G. We're back at C. So we just went on the whole circle of fifths, each one leading to the next. All right? It's a never-ending cycle. It's a good thing to practice. So I made each one be a dominant 7th of the next one. C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, which is where I switch over the sharps, F sharp, B, E, A, D, G, C. You should memorize that. We'll use that in another one. I mentioned flat 9s being the diminished scale thing too, and we're going to get that in the next video.